Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the fingerprint security on your Huawei P Smart Pro. To this operation, go to your settings here and search for security and privacy here. Now tap on the fingerprint ID here, and now just set up the lock screen of the pin. Yep. To the second security. Now use fingerprint ID to unlock device. Place your finger on the right side of your phone here. See? You need to do this a few times, and that's it. Enroll successful, fingerprint 1 added. Okay, and now just check it how it's gonna work. My fingerprint doesn't recognize. Let's check this. It's okay. So you add your fingerprint into your phone. That's well. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!